Is your agency drowning in endless, unmanageable chaos? You are trapped, working in the business, not on it. Every attempt to scale just creates more noise and breakage. Stop the madness. Enter the business operating system. A complete structure to organize your entire agency instantly. Powered by AI to automate the heavy lifting for you. Align your team and eliminate operational bottlenecks forever. Turn unpredictable chaos into a predictable profit machine. Reclaim your time and finally master your market. Implement the BOS. Scale with sanity starting today.